To stop this arrhythmia, your doctor may suggest cardioversion. The procedure typically lasts about 15 minutes. Uses sedation and often requires an outpatient hospital stay. Your doctor either monitor your anticoagulation medications prior to the procedure or may perform a transesophageal electrocardiogram to check for blood clots. ECG electrodes monitor the heart's electrical activity. Two pads or paddles will be placed on the skin of the chest or the chest and back. These pads or paddles will deliver an electrical shock to your heart. This may be repeated several times until normal electrical activity resumes. Cardioversion is a straightforward procedure when performed by experienced healthcare providers.